Let's talk about how to properly deep clean a toilet. It requires more than a nice pair of gloves. First tip, and this is a crucial one, especially if you have a dirty toilet in front of you or if there's a lot of pet fur. You have to dust the toilet before you spray any sort of chemical or disinfectant. Please dust first. For the dusting part, you can simply take paper towel, you can take Swiffer pads, or even a microfiber cloth, and then just go ahead and thoroughly dust the entire thing. Because if you have dust and you mix chemicals to it, you create a bigger mess for you to clean. After dusting, you want to go ahead and thoroughly disinfect the entire thing, top to bottom. Always make sure that when you're cleaning, you clean from the least dirtiest spot of the toilet to the dirtiest. That's the way you should approach it. Make sure to grab a strong disinfectant and spray the entire toilet. Make sure you give a proper dwell time because the chemical needs time to thoroughly disinfect all the bacteria. And the final step is drying and buffing out. So wiping with a microfiber cloth the entire toilet. That way it's nice and clean, disinfected, dry to the touch, and it looks spotless. When you're cleaning a toilet, make sure to do on top, underneath, behind. Every single bit of that toilet needs to be cleaned. So many people forget to clean this part of the toilet. It's still part of the toilet and it needs to be cleaned. Same goes for the floor around the toilet. It's best to use an enzyme cleaner to thoroughly clean about 2 to 3 feet around the toilet. That is another crucial part to deep cleaning. So in my opinion, a toilet is not properly deep cleaned until the seat is removed. That way you can get into all the hard to reach places. Let's talk about the toilet bowl cleaner. Make sure they use a product that works well and really disinfects. There's 2 ways of doing this. You can do this first approach, which in my opinion uses way too much chemical and is overkill, or simply put some on the toilet brush and then use that to distribute around the entire bowl. This works very effectively and you use way less cleaning chemicals. Now make sure to properly clean under the rim. So many folks forget to do that. There you have it. Do some good scrubbing, use some elbow grease, and then you'll have a nice clean toilet.